Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we make mulberry lemonade, make mulberry lemonade, make mulberry lemonade. This is the way we make mulberry lemonade on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we juice our lemons, juice our lemons, juice our lemons. This is the way we juice our lemons on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we crush our mulberries, crush our mulberries, crush our mulberries. This is the way we crush our mulberries on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we mix simple syrup, mix simple syrup, mix simple syrup. This is the way we mix our simple syrup on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we add some water, add some water, add some water. This is the way we add our water on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we enjoy our drinks, enjoy our drinks, enjoy our drinks. This is the way we enjoy our drinks on a cold and frosty morning. Okay, hopefully that was more enjoyable for you to watch than it was for me to try to sing through. On a serious note, I wanted to share that this variety of black mulberry, or Morus nigra, is not native to the US. It happens to be growing on my neighbor's property, so I do my duty to prevent the spread of non-natives by collecting them and mixing them with sugar and alcohol. To note, the same recipe can be used with the red mulberry, Morus rubra, which is native in the East and grows to 70 feet. Now, if you are looking to purchase mulberries, you will not find any in the stores because this delicate fruit has a high water content in their skins, which make them quickly ferment or get moldy. Therefore, mulberries are best to consume when they are harvested. Thank you for watching. Please click like for more videos like this one and subscribe to our channel to be notified as we post new videos.